Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Inhabitmars channel. Today I just want to post a quick video on the work that I'm doing for this week. I'm sorry about the lighting. The girls wanted the lights on so they could play here in the room. Hang on a second. Come here, sweetie. Hold on. I got a little one that wants to say hi. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you? The camera's over here. Say hi. How are you?
How are you?
I hope you're doing well.
I hope you're doing well.
All right. You can say more when I have the full video. All right. So this is what we're working on for this week. Now this is a Gigapan by Neville Thompson, and Sara Runcie, she's a really good researcher, actually found this. This is her find. As most of y'all know, I don't make most of these finds. I just model what people find and try to show what it looks like in 3D, but this is pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and full screen this, and I'll show you what we've got done on it so far. It should be right here in the middle. Yep, there it is. Take a look at this. Alright, we've got this dome looking piece right here. I'm going to zoom in just a little more and then I'll back out. And it looks like it has this rectangular piece. Yeah, it's all the rocks that's sticking out here. And when you get in close here, when I clean this up, I'll show you what I did to clean it up. You can see what looks like pipes coming out here, and maybe a black box that they're attached to that's sitting in front of this. And then over here we've got this rectangular piece that comes all the way across here and down, and then it's got this piece that comes almost horizontal to you. With this piece, it looks like it broke off. Okay, like these are walls that are coming out from it. There's one here, and you can see one here, and I don't know if that's designed that way or this piece might have broken off and maybe it's fallen behind it here. Then right behind that we've got this little well, I say little, it's kind of big. If she thinks this might be a person standing here, and it's hard to tell. Could be. That might be a hood that he's wearing. It is pretty cold on Mars, so he would be covered with something, and he might be peeking out from behind here, because that does look like an opening into the rocks back here. But this is pretty cool. And then, oh, by the way, and you've got all this what looks like debris laying here, and actually there's some more over here, maybe a piece right there. All right. And I saw that and I was like, yeah, I think this may be a structure, and these do look like steps. So let me show you what I've got in the enhancer, and I'll go into the model real quick. Get the right one. Okay, so I went ahead and enhanced this. I brought up the black levels a little bit so we could see a little bit better in the darker areas. I sharpened this up. I scaled it up, sharpened it up, and put a little more contrast in it so we can see some of this stuff. But if you look right here, these kind of look like pipes that are coming out, and it might be on a square box. It's sitting right in front of this dome. I couldn't get any more detail out of this. I'm not sure if this is like an entrance to go in here. If you look at the size of if this is a guy standing here, he's kind of tall, and so I don't know if he'd fit in here without obviously crouching down, and it wouldn't be a very big entrance. What I think this might be is if these are actual structures, this could be a water collection station, and the air would get drawn in here. It would cool the air, and the moisture from the air would actually condensate on something like copper or anything that would attract the water out of the air, and then you'd have these pipes where the water would collect down on the bottom of this, and then you'd be able to extract water from this. That could be what that is. It's just a guess, just a wild guess. and maybe this is some sort of furnace or something behind it. I don't know. Or somebody I know speculated, because it looks like it'll fit right in here. This could be a door that maybe closes this area off. Alright, so you could close up the front. And then you've got this piece over here, like we were talking about. And it looks like it's actually got some sort of shelving or something, or steps or whatever that go all the way across. And then, of course, it's obscured by this here. So this is pretty cool, and this is what we're going to work on. Oh, and if I didn't say it, I don't remember if I mentioned this. These look like steps. Look like steps here, and there's possibly more steps over here. And the picture's not the best quality, but it's actually pretty decent. But we're also a good ways from this. Alright, so the rover took many pictures, and you know, it's not like it's right up on it. It's taking it from a little bit of a distance, so it's not going to be the best quality images. Alright, so let me show you real quick what I got in the model, and then we'll be working on this. Hopefully tomorrow I can get it finished up, or the next day, because I go back to work Friday this week. I think I go back Friday, Thursday or Friday. Alright, so this is kind of that dome structure so far, and I don't have everything put together yet. This is kind of what it looks like, and I'll need to darken this area in here, of course. I don't have any lighting yet. If I turn on the lighting, it's not going to look... Well, it doesn't look too bad. I just have the main light that's in the scene. It actually doesn't look too bad with the lighting that I have. So, well, maybe we'll look at it with the lighting. Girls, keep it down. So you got these pipes, and like I say, it looks kind of like a black box sitting right here. That's kind of what that looks like so far. And like I say, I got a little bit more work to do. I think this pipe, if you look at the image, was a little bit lower than the other pipes. And then this is like that little furnace looking thing. And once again, I don't know what it is, but it kind of looks like that shape right there. Let me show a little more of it. There you go. And you can see what it looks like. You know, it kind of does look like a person, and this could be a hood on him. I don't know for sure. I don't see where the arms are. But, you know, a couple of people mentioned that it looks like he's looking out from behind this doorway. And then you have these black areas, like I say, I lightened just to see if we can see any detail in them. But it looks like there may be an opening right here. And then these will be the steps right here. And like I say, once again, I'll fix the lighting. But so far, that's what that looks like. But there you go. That's what that looks like. That's just what I'm working on for this. And I still have this piece to model over here. And all the little debris that's around here. In fact, there's a piece right here that looks like it's hollow in the middle. It's got two walls that look kind of the same and hollow in the middle. And then there's something right here. I'll see if I can make that out. And then this is right in front of the entranceway. Let me show you in the image. Okay. See this? What looks like this entranceway? You got these pieces that just don't look like rocks. See how they're cut out right there? So it's kind of like a toilet seat shape, for lack of a better thing. And then you got a piece that looks like right here. And this one could be a rock, but kind of looks to me like a piece of something. And this does look like, see how it looks like it was carved out right here? And then this comes down at an angle, like a ramp, so that it's even with this, but at this point it's just as high. But you've got a definite line right here, and it's almost exactly straight, almost perfectly straight. And could this be rocks or debris in here? You know, which one is it? I don't know. But there you go, that's what we're working on. And then we have one rock over here that's just completely different color. Is this his car? Is that how he gets around? I don't know. Kind of looks like a vehicle turned facing away from you. This would be the back side of the vehicle. I don't know. Just kind of looks like it, but no way to tell. But all right, you guys have a great one. Just showing you what I'm working on, and We shall see you on the full video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.